You can get an EV in the United States right now with a 100.5 kilowatt hour battery, which is equivalent to 8 Tesla Powerwalls for $35,000. $35,000 for a 100.5 kilowatt hour battery and a really good EV built around that enormous battery. Yeah, this could be the best deal that I've ever seen, possibly the best ever. Electric car discounts. I just did 2 videos, one for the United States, one for Australia, showing you guys all some of the best EV deals that are on the market right now. But this just came up in my feed today. The new Jeep EV has been discounted by $25,000. Does that make it a good deal? Is it the best EV deal? Actually, it might be. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. You're watching the Electric Viking. Jeep have discounted the Wagoneer S by $25,000 US. The crazy thing is, Jeep is now selling these EVs for $43,000. $43,000. The new 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S Limited starts at $67,000 US, which I actually think is not a bad price. I mean, it's not awesome, but it's actually not bad. $43,000 though, that is the best bargain EV in the United States right now. Does that mean you should buy it? Not necessarily, but it is an absolute bargain. Now, the crazy thing is that I know I'm saying crazy a few times, but it is crazy. The 2025 Wagoneer S, the base model, its price was already discounted by $5,000 for the new version, right? So $5,000 savings compared to last year's launch edition, with prices starting at $67,000 US. And the car comes stock with 500 horsepower. You can pay a bit extra to unlock 600 horsepower. It's an over-the-air upgrade named the Propulsion Boost. It means if you get it, it actually improves the acceleration time to 3.4 seconds. Guys, this is the fastest Jeep that Jeep's ever made, right? 3.4 seconds from 0 to 96 kilometers an hour, 0 to 60 miles an hour. Standard features include a dual-pane sunroof, 20-inch alloy wheels, 10-way heated seats, over 170 safety features, and it gets the company's Select Terrain 4xe traction management system. So it's meant to be a proper vehicle for serious off-roading. In addition to that, it gets more than 300 miles of range. It's got smaller wheels than the launch edition, so it's going to get over 300 miles of range, about 500 kilometers of range, right? Charging speed, it's pretty good. 20 to 80% takes 23 minutes, so not too bad. In addition, all models come with a 48 volt level 2 home charger. I can think it can charge at around 11 kilowatt. Plus, it also qualifies for EV incentives. So your $43,000 that you're paying, if you qualify, which most people do, right now the EV incentives are still in place. So you can get one for $35,000 US. That's ridiculous. I mean, if you were to buy an internal combustion Jeep, you can't get one anywhere near that price, especially not a luxury. You know, this is basically a luxury version of a Jeep. Now, here's what one analyst said. Stellantis' big bet on electric versions of iconic American brands like Jeep and Dodge, but consumers aren't buying the premise. Stellantis' dealer body is now stuck with expensive EVs that need huge discounts to move them, eating into already thin margins, while competitors focus on more profitable gas-powered vehicles. This doesn't make sense to me. I honestly think if someone walks into your dealership and you've got a $66,000 Jeep EV, which is actually pretty good, you could say to them, mate, listen, I'm going to give you a $6,000 discount. You're going to get this for $60,000. Plus, you can get the $7,500 EV tax credit. You're going to walk away with this thing for $52,000. It's way better than the internal combustion version. And it actually is. It's actually a really good car. I'm not convinced this is the best strategy for Jeep going forward, because it's a fire sale. The car hasn't been out for very long, and they're already having a fire sale. It's really like the race to the bottom we're seeing in China right now. But for American consumers, this is a big win. For $35,000, this is, I think, probably the best value car we've ever seen. Think about it this way, guys. This car has a 100.5 kilowatt hour battery, And it has vehicle to load. So you could technically use this to power your fridge and a few devices in your house if your power went out and you really needed it to. That's a massive battery. I mean, that's the equivalent to 7.7 Powerwalls. So let's just round it off and say 8 Powerwalls. That's like buying 8 Powerwalls and getting a free car with it. Yeah, it's sort of one way to look at it. Anyway, amazing deal. And I'd jump on it personally. I probably would. Although the new Model Y is pretty good too. So is the Honda Prologue. They're discounting those by $20,000. There's actually a lot of good options in the US right now. Let me know your thoughts. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let us know in the comments. After filming this video of this really impressive new, I think it's the best electric vehicle ever from Stellantis and from Jeep. Anyway, after filming it, I realized I didn't mention Australia in the video. It's coming to America, it's coming to Europe, and it's also coming to Australia next year. The new electric Jeep Compass. Guys, this thing is actually really good. I'm impressed with Jeep. The numbers and the details make it a proper off-roading electric SUV with quite a bit of range. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. You're watching the Electric Viking. Great to have you with us. What is this all about? Well, Jeep have been struggling, especially in America. And, they went bankrupt in China. They're struggling in America. But this is a legitimately impressive SUV, period. That simple, guys. I mean, this is definitely worth having a look at. It has up to 404 miles of range, right? Fully electric, 375 horsepower, properly built for off-roading. This is a legitimate game changer. I don't think there's very little on the market in this segment, to be honest. The new Compass adopts a more chiseled look. I think this thing looks pretty good. I mean, it's not incredible looking, but I think it's quite a good looking vehicle. It's got LED headlights, ultra slim front intakes, boxy wheel arches. It's the real kind of off-roady looking vehicle. It doesn't look electric at all. I think it looks pretty aggressive. Colors, they've got Hawaii green, Pacific blue, Antarctica white, Amazonia brown, Yosemite gray, and volcano black as well. Inside, Jeep has made a big leap in design and technology. And you've got to admit, the inside actually looks really good. I mean, Jeep, well done. You've done a great job. It's a good combination between having screens and a few buttons. I personally don't like the horizontal screens. I think they're a bit narrow for navigating, but it still does look good, you've got to admit. So there's a 10-inch display for the driver. There's a 16-inch infotainment screen, and there's some buttons. As you can see, some people love buttons. I'm not a big fan, but hey, some people love them, so give them their buttons.